Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mike Makers with you today. We keep going on the tutorial we started on Scratch. So for you that haven't seen the introduction on Scratch, the online software for coding, mostly with blocks for kids. So usually you go to Google, you type Scratch MIT, and you should arrive on this page. While you're on this page, you go there and you click on Start Creating. So there we are. So usually you should arrive on this page. So last time I explained you what all the different things mean. So here you get the different tabs with the different code, the costumes. So you can choose sprite here. You can choose a backdrop here, the background, and the sound. So let's keep going on what we did last time. So I wanna change the sprite. So as explained to you last time, when you want to start something, you go to control. You go to events. So this is where we need to go to start something. We go to events, and you can choose when we click on the green flag just right here, or you can choose this one if you want to work with the keyboard. So I'll show you something. So I want to make this apple appear and disappear. So there is something pretty nice to do that. A block. You can go to looks just right here. And when you look in the purple one, you scroll down and you have show. Right. So you can take this thing. You can show the apple. And let's say I want to show it for like maybe 2 seconds. For this, I need to go to control here, and I take the first block here, wait 2 seconds. So I need to put it just like this and click on 2 seconds. And after that, I also want to hide it. So I go back to looks and I click on hide, just right here. I go back to control and wait 2 seconds. So you can see here it's written when space key is pressed, show for 2 seconds, and after that hide. So let me click on the space key. It disappeared. Now it disappeared forever since as I said to you, the code start from the top and go to the bottom. So I can put 2 seconds, but it will not appear back. So I can go back. There is a way to do that, but we're not going to see that today. So I can make it come back. So I go back to look. And what do you think I should do now? Go back and click on show. Add another block called show. We can try that. Here we go. You can click on that. Oh, it disappear 1, 2. Okay, and it's back. And if you really want to know where you are, something you can do is this. You go there and you go to still stay here. There we go, and you take the block say. Take one here, you put it after show. You take one over one, and you put it after. You put it after hide. And you take another one, and you put it after show. And what do you think we should put it here? So we should put. Let's try show 1, hide, and this one we should put show 2. Yeah, and let's put the blocks back together. Okay, show one. You see we are here. 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Okay, hide. We don't see when it's hide, and now we can show too. Yeah, see how it goes. It show too. It doesn't show it on here. It's something we need to consider. There we go. So that's it for the hide ones. Put them here. We also mentioned something last time on events with the space bar, and after that I want to be able to make my sprite here move left, right, up. How do you think I can do that? Any idea? Okay, let me show you. So I say that when I click up, I want it to go up. I can click on the up arrow. When I click on the up arrow, now we go to motions. Motion is here. When I click on up, go to motion. Let's try that. Let's see what's going on. When I click on up, it goes right. So that's not what this is not what we want. So something we can do is to need to go to motions and point in directions, and you click on 90 here, and here you got the arrow showing the right, bottom, depends where you want to go, bottom, left, and up. So we should put it to left, to up. Let's try that. Okay, it goes up. So what do you think I should do if I want to go left? I think the same thing as we had it before. So I just click on duplicate. So we have one for up. Let's have one for right too. And let's click on here on the right. So let's try that. Up, up. So let's do one for down. Let's do one for down, and let's do one for left. Left and down. There we go. Down and left. Let's try that. Let's see what's going on. Oh, here we go. We go left, up, right, and down. So this is just an example of what we can do with this. So you can change the step and have longer step and have it move faster. You can have it to move faster. Oh, there we go. You can try that. There we go. It goes faster. So there it is. So this is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like the video, put a like. Please subscribe to the channel, and also share the video with your friends, family on social media. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.